Indices can be negative numbers or fractions. You can use the laws of indices with any rational power. Rational numbers are those that can be written as a or b, where a and b are integers, and b can never be equal to 0. When the index is a fraction, the denominator of the fraction is the root of the number or letter, and the numerator of the fraction is the power to raise the answer to. So a to the power 1 over m equals the mth root of a to the power n over m equals the mth root of a to the power n. A to the power minus m equals 1 over a to the power m, which is the reciprocal of a to the power m. And a to the power 0 equals 1. 9 to the power 1 over 2. Using a to the power 1 over m equals mth root of a, you can see this is the positive square root of 9. So 9 to the power 1 over 2 equals square root of 9 equals 3. 27 to the power 1 over 3 means the cube root of 27. So this equals to 3. 49 to the power 3 over 2. As you can see here, this means the square root of 49 cube. So 49 to the power 3 over 2 equals 7 to the power 3 equals 343. 4 to the power minus 2. Using a to the power minus m equals 1 over a to the power m, we can see that 4 to the power minus 2 equals 1 over 4 to the power 2 equals 1 over 16. Now let's take a look at a few more examples. 25 to the power minus 3 over 2 equals to 1 over 25 to the power 3 over 2. As we learned earlier, the denominator of the fractional index, which is 2, is the root of 25, and the numerator, which is 3, is the power to which the answer is raised to. So 1 over 25 to the power 3 over 2 equals 1 over square root of 25 cubed equals 1 over 125. X to the power 3 divided by x to the power minus 2. Here minus 2 is a negative index. As it is a division, we can subtract the two indices together. So x to the power 3 minus minus 2 equals x to the power 5. X to the power 1 over 2 times x to the power 1.5. As it is a multiplication, you can add the two indices together. So x to the power 1 over 2 times x to the power 1.5 equals x to the power 2. X to the power 3 to the power 2 over 3. Here multiplying the two indices gives us x to the power 2. 64 x to the power 10 to the power 1 over 2. First take the square root of 64, and for x you can multiply the two indices, which leaves us with an answer of 8x to the power 5.